Failure is just a part of life and gardening. If you're not failing, you're not trying. This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com. We all have had failures in the garden, and we often see failures each year based on what we've done, what we've learned, or what we're trying new. A failure in which we've had this year in our garden is a tremendous amount of weeds. Now, we did do our due diligence and weed properly and often and worked the beds in which we grow in and removed as many roots as possible and tried to keep up with it as best as we could. So with the weeds, it has choked out some of the vegetation which we're trying to grow. So now we have to figure out what's the best move that we can make for coming years. Do we invest and convert our traditional ground garden to raised beds and reduce the size significantly, but increase the productivity because we're bringing in good soil and can control the environment in which the plants grow in much more than we can in the traditional ground? Or do we try different weed barriers or weed prevented mechanisms in order to grow in the ground? Other failures you may encounter is plants simply dying. Maybe it's not the right variety in your area. Maybe you've overwatered or underwatered it. We can all learn from our failures. It's not wrong to have a failure. It's wrong if you do not learn from it. This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com.